Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys saw my last video, I gave you guys some life updates since I was MIA for quite some time. But here I am with another video. Again, if you watched that video, you guys know I moved recently. It's been about, what, 2 months that we've been in this new place now. So I just thought you guys would want to see the new place. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to give you guys a little tour, show you guys where we're currently living and just what we got going on here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave a like and let's get started. So I'm here in the front door right now, and if you turn around, you walk straight. This is the entryway. Hi, that's me. Oh, by the way guys, if you didn't know, I'm 7 months pregnant, so there's the belly. But yeah, so this is the entryway right here. I bought this little table here. This is like kind of where we throw our keys when we come home, and anyone that comes by, they just leave their stuff here. And then I have this mirror here so you could see how you look before you're leaving. And yeah, so we got that there. If you go to the left, this is the kitchen area. So the kitchen's pretty big. I actually really like this kitchen. I love it. You guys know I like to cook. I'm not a professional cook or anything, but I enjoy cooking. So having a kitchen, a big kitchen like this, makes me excited to show you guys what we got going on here. So first and foremost, we got this giant granite countertops. I have so much space here, which I love. And then we got our giant sink here, which I also love. I'm actually thinking, you know, once the baby's here, we'll probably be able to give them baths in here because it's pretty large. So that's nice. Then over here we got the stove. You know, I've never had an electric stove, so it's interesting trying to use this all the time. I've always had like a regular gas stove, so it's kind of different, but it works. And then right above that we got a microwave. And then I have so many things on the counter here. Most of these things were gifts from our wedding, so shout out to my family and friends. Thank you guys for all the appliances. They came in very clutch once we moved in. Yeah, we got a Keurig here for coffee. We got the crock pot, my bullet. I think I use this every single day, so that is a staple here. A dual toaster, which I love, so when I'm making food for Rod and I can toast all 4 of our breads at the same time. And then this right here is a air fryer, a Ninja air fryer. We like to make our potatoes in there. And then in the corner we got some knives, our knife set. And then on this side we got the different oils I use when I'm cooking. And then over here is just, this is where I dry my dishes. We got a fruit bowl there. And that's pretty much it. So what else can I show you guys here? I guess I could show you guys what we got in our cabinets and stuff. Keep in mind, there's some that I haven't organized yet, so I know I need to do some organizing, but we'll probably do that when I have time. I haven't had time to do everything yet, but you know, we're pretty settled, so I'll just show you guys. I don't mind. First over here, I got some baking stuff, things to put in the oven. And then right here we got our utensils and a hand blender with some like measuring cups and stuff in there. Sorry, these are a little messy. I know I need to fix some of this, but for now it's okay. And here we got all our Tupperware. I know it's a lot, but I like to meal prep, and we also cook in big portions, so these come in clutch. I'm able to put everything away and save it for the week. And then, oh, this is actually my favorite drawer. This is one I actually did kind of organize. This is my spice drawer, so this is where all my spices are. It's right next to the stove, so it's super convenient when I'm cooking. But yeah, this is my spice drawer. I still need to buy some more. I have like a whole row that's empty still, but I love this drawer. I spent time doing this one. Underneath, this is where we got our pots and pans, and then some like mixing bowls. That's about it. Up top, so up here, this is where we got our plates and cups. Got a couple mugs. These cabinets are pretty tall, so we have room up there too, but honestly, I wouldn't be able to reach anything up there, so it's just empty for now. We don't use the top really, because we don't need to. We don't have that much stuff. But even in here, so this is like our glassware. Got our cups, our taller cups, and then yeah, that's empty. In this corner, this is empty. Yeah, there's so much cabinet space here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's so many cabinets here. We definitely don't use all of them. We don't have that much stuff, so I mean, a lot of these are empty, so that's empty there. This one I have above the spice drawer, so we got the spices there, and then all the refill stuff up here. Again, the top's just empty. I mean, there's plenty of cabinet space if we ever get more things, so that's good. And then in here, completely empty. We don't have anything in these cabinets here, but I think it's okay for now. I'm pretty sure once the baby's here and we have bottles and all these different things, we got plenty of space for it. This will probably be the baby cabinet once the baby's here and we start buying a bunch of stuff. This cabinet, oh, this cabinet's just some like glassware for like wine and just like drinking cups, some shot glasses. But we don't use that much either since I'm pregnant. All right, and then in here we got our pantry. This is our pantry. We got, you know, just some food in here. This is more like my granolas and teas and just nuts and stuff. And then up top, we got some chips. And then down here, this is just like our protein powders and medicines, and then our blender down below. Do we want to show our fridge? I guess, why not, right? Why not? I'll show you guys our fridge. So this is what our fridge is looking like. It's a pretty big fridge. It has the freezer up top and then just a normal fridge below. So up here in the freezer, don't have a lot right now to be honest, but you know, we got our waffles, smoothie berries, we got some salmon, some chicken, some, oh, by the way, I need to take food out to make tonight, so let me take out this ground turkey real quick. Okay, so bottom, this is our fridge. Actually, it does look like we have a lot. But yeah, this is our fridge. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the kitchen area. So we'll move on to the living area, which is right across. So if you turn, this is our main living area right here. We got some of our island stools. I found these on Amazon. I actually really like them. I like the color and they're comfortable. They're actually comfortable. And then here we have our couch. This is where I sit, edit, watch videos. I think we got this couch at Ashley's Furniture. I can't remember the name of it, but we bought it at Ashley's Furniture. I love this couch. I'm falling asleep here all the time. It's so comfy. Everyone falls asleep here when they come. They say the same thing, it's comfy. So if you guys want a nice couch, Ashley's Furniture. And then we got a wooden little coffee table here. This coffee table I think I also bought on Amazon. But yeah, it's a perfect little coffee table. I got some coasters there in the middle with our controls. And yeah, then this is our main entertainment area. We got a big 65-inch TV. It looks small in the camera, but it's a 65-inch TV. It's really nice with the sound bar that Rod bought. Soundbar is really nice too. It actually came with this. So it's like a surround sound system. You could plug it in a different part of the room. And then in here, so our Switch is in there with some of our games. And then yeah, there's our Switch controllers. And then this corner, got a little plant here. And we got one of our wedding pics, one of our favorite ones actually. So I decided to hang it up here in the corner. I still want to buy some more artwork to put above here since this wall's so large and it looks pretty boring right now. That's about it for the living area. Okay, so if you continue walking across from the kitchen, we have these two giant closets. Well, this one's a closet. This is just like a storage closet here. And then on the other side, we got our washer and dryer. I love that we have our own washer and dryer. That was super important to me when I was looking for a new spot. So yeah. And then if you continue walking straight over here, this is our office. So this is where Rod and I have our setups. This is Rod's desk and setup here. We got our printer there. And then this is my setup in the corner over here. These we'll probably get rid of soon, but these are just some storage boxes we got. We just have them in here for now. And then here we got a closet. We keep most of our like larger jackets in here, and then our luggages. But yeah, this is the office area. And then we got this TV. I'm not sure where we're gonna put it yet. We just have it in here for now. But yeah, we have this TV that maybe we could hang above Rod's setup, or I don't need it above mine. So if anything, maybe put it above Rod's setup, or maybe in this corner. I don't know. We don't know where to put that TV, so it's just there on the floor for now. But we do need to find a spot for it. That's about it for the office area. Like I said, for now it's an office, but once the baby's here, we might have to make arrangements, turn this into a nursery possibly. We got room here, so this could definitely be a nursery when we need it. But for now, since baby's not here yet, it is currently our office space. Leave the office, make a right. Over here, we got our bathroom. This is our bathroom area. Pretty large bathroom. It's really big. Hi again. 7 months pregnant, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see the belly, but it's there. Same countertops you guys saw in the kitchen. It's that granite, which is nice. Then we got a pretty decent sized sink. Got our soap there. I like to have, you know, our Q-tips, cotton balls, and the cotton pads. Up here, easy access. I'm using those daily, so we have them there. If you guys don't have this, you guys should get some. Get it at Target, Poopery. I don't think I need to explain what that's for, but get it. Your guests will appreciate you if you have it. Also, get your wet wipes. And then in here, we got another giant cabinet, which is actually really nice. So for now, this is where we have like all our stuff. I got, you know, just my beauty stuff in here. And then up top, we got like our extra toilet paper rolls. And then on the bottom, we don't have much down here. We don't use all this space, but we got some towels. I'm sure once the baby's here, all these will be filled. So it's nice that we have the room. This is a shower here. It's pretty big. The ceilings are high, so it makes it feel like the shower is really big, and there's a light there, so it's pretty nice. But yeah, this is our shower. I like to take baths, and I love that I'm able to now. Yeah, that's about it. It's just a bathroom. So let's continue. Leave the bathroom and make a right. This is our bedroom. So it's getting dark, so I have the lights on. We both have a nightstand, which is nice. This is mine. I don't have much up here, just my prenatals, so I don't forget to take them. And then down here, just some decor. And then over here on Rod's side, looks like he left one of his hats up here. And then he's got his weights down there. We got our giant mirror, which I love. And then over here, we got our dresser. If you guys noticed, we already have our crib here too. Thank you so much to Rod's family for gifting that. We have it set up already since we're super excited for the baby, and I wanted to see how it would fit here. I think I'm gonna plan to switch up this area before the baby comes. Make it more like a mini nursery area. So I'll probably get a new dresser, one that's lower and we're able to use as a changing table. And then, yeah, we'll figure out what we want to do on this side. I'll probably buy like a real chair to put on this side. Again, so when the baby's here, we have a real chair there. I plan to rearrange this area for the baby. So for now, this is how it's looking, but I'm definitely gonna rearrange this area here to be more like a little nursery. And then over here, we got our closet. Our closet's a little messy, so don't judge, but I mean, I try to organize a little bit, but I definitely need to do some more organizing in there. Got a lot of stuff here. On this side, we got my clothes, so my clothes up here. This is all mine too. And then on the right side, that's all Rod's clothes. Some of this is Rod's too, but yeah, it's pretty much our closet. It's pretty decent size, especially for both of us. It works. And we still have space, so once we get more baby stuff, we have room for baby clothes. So cute. We're already getting gifted baby clothes. I'm super excited. Look how cute this is. And then like my dad gifted us this. Super cute. super excited. So we definitely have room. That'll be for the baby. We can probably reorganize how we're using the top shelves here. But for now, it's like extra blankets, extra pillows. Looks like Rod has PJs up here, some of his hats. But yeah, we have decent amount of space, I'd say. Like, it's a good sized closet. I mean, it's a walk-in closet. It's not like huge, but it's good. It works for both of us. We still have extra room, so it's good. I like our closet. Last place, I didn't even have a closet, so this is more than enough space for me. I'm happy with it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little apartment tour. If I missed anything or you guys are still curious about anything, make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know. I'll answer all questions. Also, let me know in the comments what other videos you guys would like to see. I can't stream every night, but I can make videos and post them and keep in touch with you guys that way. Also, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss any future videos. I'm gonna be posting more, like I said. Getting late, I'm gonna start cooking dinner.